Hello, today I'm inside of Schoology to talk to you about Google Drive assignments, how they work, and how you can submit from them. So I have a Google Drive assignment here. If I click that open, I'll be greeted by the assignment name and the directions, which of course I have to view, read, digest, and make sure I understand what I'm being asked to do. Once I know what I'm being asked to do, I navigate to the My Document page. Inside that My Document page, I'll see that I have my name and then the assignment name, and this is my own copy of this document. I have two buttons here, Edit, which allows me to start editing this copy of the document, and Submit, where I can submit the document. So if I click Edit, we'll open my document in a new page. I can add some text. Once I'm finished adding whatever text I have, I can come back to the Schoology screen and I can submit this assignment. Confirm that submission. If I have submitted the assignment, I'll always see an unsubmit button here. I can always unsubmit, add some additional text. Can work right in this window. And then I can resubmit, and that goes to my facilitator each time. It's just that simple. I hope that this tutorial on using the Drive assignments portion of Schoology was helpful, and as always, thank you for watching.